My name is Sabrina Moura, and I am from Fortaleza, Brazil, but I currently live in Utah. I am shaped by my studies, the gospel, all the experiences I've had at Ensign really has turned me into the person I am today. Since I heard about Ensign so much and it's close to home, I wanted to stay home. And the money also, it's cheaper. I just received a revelation that I needed to come here. I've always had really great learning opportunities, whether it was at high school or either back in Brazil when I used to live there, here at Ensign. It has really shaped me into a better professional person, interpersonal skills, and just my personal life has been shaped all by my learning. I was planning to do psychology, but then I decided to come to Ensign, and the opportunity I had here to study social media marketing really changed my path. It made me want to go towards marketing instead of psychology, so it really changed everything. Oh yes, when I first got to Ensign, my first semester, I took a class. It was the M120, and we had the opportunity to work with real world brands with marketing. And the teacher just made it really fun, and we were really able to have our hands-on learning, and it was really helpful. I really was able to learn. It changes everything. It's totally different from a normal college, I believe. Applying church principles to my learning, even though it's like personal life and not really church related, they really make me build a new view about the whole world around us and how the gospel is in every single detail of our lives. Everything I learn at Ensign really helps me outside of in my personal life. The hands-on learning really gets me going, and the experience of actually working with it helps me gain experience. When I first moved here to the US from Brazil, language was a really huge barrier for me during my studies. When you're struggling, remember Jesus Christ is always here to help us. Just look to Him and you'll get the help you need. Looking to Jesus Christ and strengthening my testimony on Him and the gospel really has helped me keep going strong throughout my studies.
That's it. Thank you.
Yay.
I'll take the mic from you. The magnet. Oh, your little book keeps falling down.
Just in time. We got it.
Did it help?
I think we got it.
No.